collapses earlier. And they'll hear a smattering of boos as they leave the ice trailing 5-0. Second intermission presented by Kraft Hockey Beer, featuring the hot stove is coming up next, and so is Nabil Karim with the hat-trick goal scorer Tyler Seguin next on Hockey Night in Canada.
This portion of Hockey Night in Canada on CBC is brought to you by new Chips Ahoy Middles. Soft on the outside, fudgy on the inside. They're irresistibly fudgy.
Oh, you're still coughing.
Hey, Dan, why don't you take a seat at the end of the table?
Power seat.
Perfect.
That's it.
Dan, I was thinking to save time. Let's do this meeting on the phone. Chris, I'm right here. But I love phones. You sure you don't want to sit back here?
No, try the Legger, dude.
Annoying cough, take Halls. Halls, you'll all feel better.
Wait now.
Also first period in that period, I thought we really stepped it up, made some good passes. The first goal in that period, we got two good passes, even the last goal, pretty good passes.
It's been so much weight of the Stanley Cup hangover. Do you think it's kind of starting to get over now? A good game for you guys. This was a big one coming in.
Yeah, it was a big game, but that being said, there's still plenty of stuff to play with. Staying consistent. We don't want to create any bad habits, but after the Senators game, we really wanted to stay consistent, keep it coming against one of the last teams in the NHL, at least right now, and hopefully we can close it off.
Good luck in the fifth.